You're not in the frame, Anna. I'm wearing my 50p jeans. Oh, I don't have any abs.
I'm wearing my free top.
Hi guys! Today I'm with an absolute mug. And Iona.
And the cat.
And a cat. Today, me and Iona are making food in a mug. Iona, what are you making in a mug today?
Pizza, mate.
You have to speak a bit louder than that, innit? Like, pizza.
Making a pizza.
She's making a pizza. I'm making lasagna.
A tablespoon of flour.
Oh, look at her flour.
This is 2. What's 1/8 of a tablespoon?
Like a teaspoon?
Oh, a teaspoon even.
Like a tiny bit.
Probably right.
This is when it explodes.
Probably. 1/16 of a teaspoon.
That's ridiculous. That is a ridiculous fraction.
Probably less than that. Let's go with that.
Lasagna sheets. So we got... Oh shit. Never mind. Oh goodness. Okay, cold water. I need some oil. You only need a little bit of this apparently. Shit. That actually looks disgusting. But it's just stop the pasta from sticking together when it cooks, so get all that oil nice and in between those sheets. They haven't even started cooking and they're already sticking together. I've been lied to. Shit. Did you hear that peel noise?
Twist it.
Oh! Oh yeah, baby. Nice.
Better than the oil.
Honestly, that was. Oh! See, that was a lot more impressive than mine. I mean, I had the start of it. That's easier.
I said there might be some lumpage.
Listen to the noise. This is actually one of the most disgusting cooking videos ever. Oh, yeah.
Some dried herbs now. Fuck that, mate.
Don't lie to, my lasagna sheets are sticking together. Like, I put the oil in for nothing. Which, excuse me.
Got my chorizo. That was actually.
Oh. So this is what we've got going on. Yeah. Bitch, what?
No, I tried to melt 2 lots.
I'll put it in the microwave.
So it's in the microwave.
Now I must dispose of this disgusting oily water. I have to dry off the disgusting oily pasta. Ew.
Something smells. I'm not sure whether it's the pasta or the food.
I think it's the pasta. Gross. And now you have an empty mug again. And some skin. Ow! I'm just gonna
spinach.
Right. That's actually disgusting. Shit. Shit. It's not working. Bollocks. Sure, that looks like a lasagna that I want to consume. And repeat. I know what will make it better. Yeah, put oil in it, they said. They won't stick together, they said. Fat liars.
Literally says it there.
No. Oh, okay.
Disappointment.
Just zoom in at my disappointment. That's a fat lie. Bon appetit!
Is it really what going that long?
Yep.
Could have gone worse.
Wait, look. Let's give a nice close up. Oh my god, it's
Why does mine not look like it's got mashed potato in it?
mine is all
Cheese.
I can't get a piece. I can't get a piece out. Oh, okay, we got some. It's really hot. No, the bottom's not safe.
It's not safe. I don't think if these are even safe to eat, but you know.
Did you spit yours out?
I feel like it could be worse.
It's not bad, but it's definitely as disappointing as it looks.
Mine looks like it's got mashed potatoes stuck. Mine looks like it's got mashed potatoes in the bottom.
That's gross. Mine is. Oh, wait. Close up. Close up. And it's also made one solid ring. What would you rate yours?
Oh, 6.
6 out of 10.
Yeah. So much dough in it. It looks like mashed potato.
It's not bad, but it's not good.
I wouldn't eat it for like a meal.
No. Too much effort. Even though it's supposed to be easy. That's disgusting.
Don't make it.
Just buy lasagna from Tesco. It's actually really disgusting. So we tried it, and I don't think I'll try it again. No. That's it for this video. I know it was very pointless and a bit gross, but hopefully that's a bit entertaining for someone.
That's some weird aspects.
If not, we just documented a really fun
So you don't have to make it yourself.
experience. Exactly. So yeah, thank you for watching and goodbye.
Bye.